When you're not there, they'll bump you, scrape you, sideswipe you, and total you. But what many of them won't do is leave a note. That's why we created PowerMagic Easy, a smart OBD accessory for your BlackVue dashcam that safeguards your vehicle day and night. PowerMagic Easy has all the features of our hardwired dashcam kit, but with plug-and-play simplicity. No more fiddling with your fuse box or cigarette lighter power socket. Simply plug your dashcam into your vehicle's onboard diagnostic port and rest assured that your vehicle is protected, even while you're away. Don't worry about draining your car's battery. PowerMagic Easy allows you to set a timer and voltage cutoff level. As soon as the timer ends or the voltage drops below the preset level, PowerMagic Easy will automatically stop powering your dashcam, preserving your vehicle's battery. If you don't need to power your dashcam while you're away, turn off the parking mode switch so your dashcam only runs while the ignition is on. PowerMagic Easy is always there to watch your back, so you don't have to. Visit BlackVue.com for more details.